fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an awesome experience. Showcasing the best of Jamaica's automotive culture.
876 Streets, reppin' for Jamaican sickest rides.
How are you feeling about the car now?
After a lot of the changes that they've done to the car yesterday, and they came up here early, they've been changing all kinds of stuff on the car. I said to them, I said, boy, I mean, we did a really nice time yesterday. I think I just wanted seat time at this point. Are you sure you want to change up the car? They said, yes, absolutely. I came and just did one hot lap a while ago and came back and said, wow, they've changed up some stuff in the car, and the car I think is better. So every time that I go out, they're going to be running just like that. Do a rerun, come back, retune. And that's what it's all about. I mean, that's what we're here to do, you know. And I'm so glad that we had 2 full days of just not touching anything on the car. And the car just, right now, it just feels bulletproof. You're going out there and just driving the car, which is what we need. Every time before it was always, oh Lord, we saw this leak, or oh, this belt fall off, or this, that, and we're always chasing our tails. Right now, I feel good with what we see.
Rumors circulating, you know, about an unofficial 117. Yeah, you wish to
I saw it come up on the dash yesterday. Yeah. The blink came up and I was like, nice. And the track is extremely dirty. What is happening now is that if you actually come off the so-called driving line, you know, the track has all of the grass and the gravel. Even the way that I drive on this track, I mean, I'm extremes, you know. Even Fraser will tell you, when we're coming down here, we go all the way, literally. That
touching the wall.
Yeah, your door is going to be wanting to touch the wall. As you can see right now, you just can't go over there. If you go over there, you're going to get yourself in trouble.
Right.
So yeah, it's everybody that has ever set a track record at Dover, and I do say everybody, it is always after Dover has a massive rainfall, and then you come now the next day or two. That's always when everybody sets their fastest time.
Right.
If you look back at all the records and you can think back, it is always a big rain shower in the week, and then you come here now and do your damage. And then of course all the cars that are driving back and forth on the track, putting all the nice little gummy stuff off of their tires. So that also helps.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I mean, compared to the dirty track, I think we're doing very well.
And rumor has it that, you know, you're on used tires as well.
You can actually go over there with the video and check yourself. I just said to them a while ago, I said, boy, the little runs into this morning, you know, the tires are come give me.
And I know your fans are elated, they're happy to see what the progress are.
Yeah, we've had a long haul, and I'm really glad that everybody stopped beside me, including all my sponsors. You know, the car is decked out with every single sponsor has been on the car now for the last 15 years. Nobody has even changed their mind. Everybody is still there, and that's kudos to them and kudos to my marketing, because again, guys like you, 876 Streets, I'm so glad that you're here. The more that you put this out, the better I can now show them that, hey, look at the 5,000 views that we just got a while ago. So that's all part of the game, right?
Definitely. Well, all the best, Doug, and we'll be following up.
Yes. Watch Smile Jamaica on Saturday.
All right.
We'll be there.
All right. Take it easy.
Peace.
Everybody wants to Them a ask me where we come from. Me a yard man, we not take program. 1876 of my region, yeah. We proud and strong. Them a ask me where we come from. Me a yard man, we not take program. 1876 of my region, yeah. We proud and strong.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.